Hey guys, welcome back to a day in life with Derrica. Anyways, you guys, in this video, I will be putting my bed together. If you've seen one of my other videos, I don't know what video that was. I think it was the life update video. If you've seen that video, then you know that I said in that video that I was trying to put my bed together. And when I got here, put my bed together, I realized that I did not have my wings, so I could not put my bed together. But now, guys, I do have all my parts. I'm sorry, I was gonna change the camera on. I do have all my parts, so in this video, I will be putting my bed together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. My name is Derrica. Nice to meet you. My name is Derrica. Nice to meet you. Anyways, continue to like, comment, and continue to tell your family that you love me. And actually subscribe to my channel, because why not? Look at my bed. I set this part up. Like I said, I was in the middle of putting my bed together, so I took the headboard out. And I realized that I did not have my wings. So I didn't have my wings, so I could not put the rest of the bed together. I had to contact the people, tell them that I didn't have my wings, so I could not put my bed together or none of that. So what I did was I had to get them to deliver it all the way down here, because my bed is down here, so you have to deliver all the way down here. And they did. Not gonna lie, they did. So I do have the parts. That's already open, because like I said, that was my headboard. This is the box with the wings that I needed to put my bed together. So I had 2 boxes, and they only I needed 3 boxes, and they only gave me 2 boxes when I was picking it up. So like I said, I didn't have the mixy box. But this is the box, and this is the other box. So I have all my boxes, you guys. So in this video, I will be putting this bed together. Don't mind that. Like I said, my room ain't all the way put together. It's not ready at all. But when it is, I will give you guys a room tour. So don't do too much. But yeah. And my bed is not on the floor. So don't say my bed on the floor, because it's not. It's on this box spring with the mattress on it. So I'm not sleeping on the floor. I'm gonna keep it real, and I'm gonna keep it uncut. I ain't like all these other folks. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna tell y'all, baby, I've been sleeping on this bed. Yeah, whatever. Don't care. Wait for the rest of my stuff to get in. Well, this is not the TV. That's not the TV I'm using. I'm getting another TV so I can get it mounted on the wall. So I'm ready for everything to come in. Yeah, but that's gonna be a whole nother video. Like I said, don't do too much. So yeah, you guys, meet me in the next clip.
Shit, what the fuck you Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know. What's going on, it won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can keep my own. Tell me if it's you. What you wanna do? You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra.
Hey guys, as you can see, my bed is up. My bed is up. I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. But the camera did go off. I don't know how long my camera was off for. I honestly don't know, because it had shut off while I was making up the bed. So I don't know if you've seen everything. And also my camera died. So, yeah, I did finish my bed. Here it is. Look at my bed. Come on, focus. Look at my bed. Don't mind it. That's the back of my camera thing. I can't wait till I finish this whole room. Like, for real. I'm so ready to finish it. But look, y'all. I'm gonna turn the lights off. Here they go. On the back of my bed, I honestly thought there was another color. And I should have put them a different way. And also, I didn't finish the other side because I ran out. So I am going to buy me some more of these. And I will have these on like during the night. But yeah, you guys, I finished making up my bed. And I finished putting up my bed. Let me cut the light back on. I finished putting up my bed. And that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to this channel, continue to tell your family that you love me. And tell them to subscribe to my channel, because why not? Anyways, you guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.